welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got my first haul of 2019. Feels like it's my first haul in bloody ages, and it is a home bargains haul. Shh, being texted. It's not very professional. I spent £37. It's a bit random. There's some cleaning stuff. I had to get a couple of bits for a birthday, so I can't show you those. But they're just a couple of little bits, so I won't show you those. But everything else I will show you. I've got a big old bag, and then I've got some more bits here. So I will show you these bits first. So calm down. So this is the first thing I got. I think this was £1.99. Is this not the cutest mug ever? And I don't need any mugs because we've got so many, but I just love cute mugs, and I just thought that was awesome. They did have it in white and rose gold as well, but I liked the black one. I thought that was just super cute. Next up, I got a candle, and if you've been here before, you will know that the Wickford & Co Gingerbread Candle is like my all-time favourite. I think I've got 3 spare ones. I've got one downstairs that I burn, and then I've got 3 spares just because they sell out all the time, and I know it's kind of a Christmassy smell, but they just smell amazing. So I went today and I nearly got another one, but I thought, no, calm your boobs, try something different. So I got this one, which is sea salt and cotton, and it smells so good, like insanely good. And these are £2.99, and look, they are hefty. Like a Yankee candle this size is like 20-25 quid, something ridiculous. And I think these smell nicer than Yankee candles. That might just be a controversial opinion, but I'm saying it. Wickford & Co, better than Yankee Candle. Fight me. Yeah. Next up, I got a toilet seat for Aria because she has started nursery now, which is why there is no children in the background of my videos. They are both at nursery today. And she's having some accidents at nursery because they've got the little tiny toilets, but the toilet seats are still the same size, and I think she's scared of falling in. So we have one of these downstairs, and I took that in. I've left that in nursery for her, and so I've just got her another one for home. So this is just going to go downstairs in our downstairs loo, because our upstairs toilet's got like a family one built in. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's okay. Next up is food. I'm literally just going to grab it as it comes out. I got these. These are the Pringles tortilla, and they are the nacho cheese flavour. And when I first bought these, like last year, I was like, oh my god, I need to buy them because they're going to be disgusting. But they're literally my favourite Pringles. They're so good. And these were £1, and I only ever buy them when they're on offer, because in like the normal supermarkets, they're like £1.99 or £2.25, however much ridiculous price Pringles are now. But these are amazing. You really do feel like they're going to be disgusting, but then you eat them and they're just incredible. So judge away, because they're awesome. More food. I ate one of these already. I love Kit Kat Chunkies. Like, I love Kit Kat Chunkies. Not a massive fan of Kit Kats, but Kit Kat Chunkies I just love, especially the peanut butter ones and the caramel ones. They do orange ones. What? Chocolate orange is like the best kind of chocolate. Dark chocolate orange is the best kind of chocolate, but this is a very close second. Kit Kat Chunky orange, yes please. Had one in the car park. Delicious. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Got these for the girls. Cadbury's caramel biscuits. So these are like a shortbread biscuit, chocolate, and then caramel inside, which the girls are just gonna bloody love. They're gonna think they're amazing. I got some skincare. Now this is probably gonna just like break me out or God knows what, but this is a Dead Sea collection. It's an anti-wrinkle 24-hour night cream with hyaluronic acid. And this was £1.99. So I spend money on skincare. I'm not afraid to say I do spend money on skincare. And like my normal moisturiser is like £30, and I've got a serum that's like 60 quid, and it doesn't bother me to admit that because it lasts a long time. Christ on a cracker, this doesn't want to open. Oh, it does. Here we go. But it's a glass jar. I'll be honest, it smells like PVA glue, but I'm gonna give it a go. And we'll see we'll see how it is, but it looks quite nice. Little bits just fell off there. Let's just rub it in my hand and see. It smells less like PVA glue when you rub it in, and that's just sunk into my hand quite nicely. But we'll give it a go and we'll see what it's like. I thought for $1.99 I wanted to give it a try, because if I don't have to spend expensive money on skincare, then I won't. De-icer, because it is very icy. For some reason where we live, the cars just get so thick with ice in the mornings that the heated window just can't do it, so I've been using de-icer. I've got 2 of these I think, but there's only 1 here. These are like, they're air fresheners and they're gel crystals, and I got 2. I think I got a lavender one and a cotton one. I think what you do is peel off this lid. Yes, you peel off that lid and there's all the little balls. It smells quite nice. And then you put the lid on back on and then you just leave it somewhere. So I thought I'd just dot these around the house. I've got 2 of them I think. Okay. Stuffing, because we're having chicken and stuffing and cheese sandwiches tonight, toasted ones, and they're going to be amazing, and we needed stuffing. If you haven't had that, just white bread with chicken breast, some stuffing, and then some really strong cheese toasted. Oh, it's amazing. I got some egg cups just because they were so cute. They're Valentine's ones, and they say you crack me up and you're excellent. And I'm hoping Ben isn't going to watch this video, because I'm going to give him these for Valentine's Day, because he loves a pun. Ben loves a pun. So there's some egg puns. I got 2 lots of bleach, because if you didn't know, there has recently been a sick bug in our house and it wiped us out for the best part of 2 weeks. So I'm just cleaning everything basically. I got a drain and blocker, Dr. Magic. This stuff's really good. And the Mr. Muscle I think is probably better, but it is 3 times the price. So I've got this just because our kitchen drain is a bit stinky and a bit blocked. So I thought I would do this afternoon. I got the girls a hairbrush because I've got a Mason & Pearson hairbrush, which my nan bought me probably close to 20 years ago, that I still use. Don't judge about that, because they're expensive hairbrushes and I don't want to ruin it. But Mika's hair is quite curly, and I know you shouldn't really use them, even though I use it on my curly hair. So I just got her one of these like wide toothed brushes, and this is a James London Styling Vent brush. So I will use this to do their hair, and they want it dried more now. They don't want to have it wet, they want me to actually blow dry it, so I thought I would get that for their hair. Well, here's another one of those gel crystals. This is the lavender one, little jelly ball thing. So that one's going to go in the ensuite. It's the lavendery one. That's nice. I got a washing machine cleaner. Service it, and this is like a deep clean washing machine cleaner. I have used one of these before, but not for a long time. Again, because of the sick bug, we were constantly washing duvets and stuff that were covered in sick, and teddies and pajamas, and I just feel like I want to just give the washing machine a bit of a deep clean, because the sick and stuff's got to go somewhere, hasn't it? So yeah, bit gross. But they do dishwasher ones as well. It's Dr. Beckman, and I think you just, from what I remember, is you literally just run it through your machine, put it on a wash, and it cleans your washing machine from the inside out. That's a birthday present. I got myself some more Star Drops kitchen bleach spray. I really like this stuff. It is quite strong smelling, but that doesn't bother me. It does seem to clean really well though. I got some makeup, Max and More. Now I've had stuff from Home Bargains makeup before, but I've only had like lipsticks and stuff, and I thought this looked really interesting, and it's a highlight, foundation, contour and blush palette. This was $1.99, and look, I thought that looked quite interesting. So I don't think there's a colour there that I could use. Can I use you as a foundation? Bit orange, but I thought the contour colour looked quite nice. There's a couple of contour colours there. And then the blush I thought looked really pretty. There's 2 blush colours. They feel quite nice, to be honest. A bit powdery. And blush colours there. And then there is a highlighter. There's 2 highlighters as well. Let's see what they're like. I wouldn't really say they're highlighters. They're quite metallic-y. I don't think I'd use them as a highlighter, but I think they'd be nice like on the lid as a bit of a metallic-y shimmer. But I thought that was really good for £1.99, so I'll give that a go. I might do a video on it. I'm not sure if I can get some more affordable makeup. I might just do like a full face of affordable makeup. I got a light. This is like a flip switch light, just because our big bathroom at night time, the girls turn the light on and then it starts the fan going, and it's a really intense bright light because there's no windows in our bathroom, so it's very bright. And like when you're in the middle of the night and you want a wee but you don't want to turn the light on, I thought this might be quite good. So I've got some sticky stuff in there as well. I'm going to stick it to the side where the girls can turn it on and off. Hopefully that will be good for the bathroom. There you go, this stuff to stick that to either the side of the cabinet or on the wall. I'm not really sure yet. And then is everything else in their birthday stuff? Yeah, that's all birthday stuff. And then I got 2 lots of floor wipes. Again, these are just because of my little cleaning freakiness at the moment. These are Power Action. These are 59p and they smell of apples, which I really like. And they cut through grease and dirt, kills E. coli, MRSA, flu virus, salmonella and listeria, and they're bleach free. So I like these just to go around the edges of around the toilet, around the sides of the room, anywhere where there's tiles basically. So they're really good. And that was my haul from Home Bargains. It was quite a big one and it's quite random, but I feel like I got a lot of good stuff. So yeah, I am going to put all this away. If you like haul videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Let me know what shop you want me to do a haul from next. I'm going to try and do one once a month. I'd love to do more, but I can't because I'm skint basically. So if you think of an affordable shop that you would like me to do a haul in, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you're all having a lovely day and I will speak to you very soon. Bye guys.